On Monday, we told you how the United Kingdom had said goodbye to precaution, how it had done mask mandates, removed limits on gatherings, and had broken free of all social distancing rules. We called out this irresponsible behavior because there's been a fresh surge in coronavirus cases in the UK. And now we have another reason to ask the Britons to act responsibly. There's another virus spreading in their country. It's called the Norovirus, or the vomiting bug. What's worse is that this virus can be contracted several times. Why is that? Our next report tells you more.
Another virus is spreading in the United Kingdom, a highly infectious virus, similar to its distant cousin from China. But the body part it targets is your stomach. The virus is called the Norovirus, or the winter vomiting bug. What exactly is it? According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the Norovirus is basically a stomach bug that causes vomiting, nausea, and diarrhea. It's responsible for more than half of all food-borne illnesses in the United States. How big is the outbreak in the UK? Since May, the country has reported 154 cases of this virus. The number may seem small, but it's a threefold increase in cases in the last 5 years. What's more worrying is that this virus is circulating in educational settings, particularly in nurseries and childcare facilities. England's Public Health Department is alarmed. It has asked people to exercise caution. How is the virus transmitted? Just like the Wuhan virus. A person can contract the norovirus by coming in direct contact of an infected person, consuming contaminated food or water, touching contaminated surfaces, and putting your unwashed hands in your mouth. What are the symptoms like? There's a long list. It starts with diarrhea, followed by vomiting, nausea, stomach pain, fever, headache, and body aches. If severe, this virus can also cause inflammation of stomach and intestines. And here's a very important question. Can someone contract norovirus many times? Yes, says the CDC, because there are many different types of noroviruses. Infection with one type may not protect against others. Just like the Wuhan virus, the norovirus also mutates rapidly, with different strains identified in some hospitals. In fact, it changes so much that standard testing kits sometimes fail to recognize its evolved versions. So how do we protect ourselves? Basic hygiene and precaution. Wash your hands, rinse raw food items, avoid unwanted contact. Stay at home if infected. Thankfully, this virus hasn't proved to be fatal yet. But it's another worry for a country that reported 48,000 cases of the Wuhan virus on July 18, and is expected to record 200,000 new cases a day. The United Kingdom has flung itself into a dangerous experiment, a pretense of normalcy amid virus surges and outbreaks. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.